don't know if they can. Oh, there they are.
Hello. Guess what? We're speaking at CuddleXpo, the two of us. Yay! All right.
Awesome.
We've been in a relationship for
19 years. Oh, sorry. 3.
How many years?
3 years.
And
Coming up to a half.
it is a half this month.
Oh, it is a half this month.
And
So I knew.
Yes, and we've been, I've been doing this work for almost 2 years. This summer it'll come up to about 2 years since I started. And, yeah, it's been kind of rough on you.
I've been doing this work, it seems like, for 8 years. Coming up on 20 years.
Being a supportive role he's talking about.
Yes.
So,
yes.
we've gone through a lot. We've done a lot of therapy, thanks to our counselor, David Cantu. And, got a story to tell.
I've got many stories to tell. Boy, do I have things to say.
And so excited to be able to present at CuddleXpo as being in a relationship, doing this work. Mm-hmm. We're not polyamorous, so it's not like a customary thing that we go off and connect emotionally with other people. Especially you but you being in a relationship where your partner is doing that. And yeah, I'm going to talk about it. See how it goes.
I think my hope, at least, is that it's going to help other partners going through this. And I'm sure they're out there.
And so you are available for coaching if there's anybody out there who wants to talk about their anxiety and their insecurity around their partner doing this work or any kind of opening up a relationship.
Yes, I am. I come from experience, much experience. And if you just need an ear to listen, or if you need somebody to add to what you're saying and say, hey, look, I've been through that and this is what I did, I'm available.
Awesome. Yay. See you at CuddleXpo. It's in September. Go to CuddleXpo.com with only one E, big X, CuddleXpo.
Ooh,
and
okay.
Buy your tickets and hopefully see you there. Sign off.
Mwah.
Wow, you watched to the end. Yay! So I want you to know that if you want more of me, I do provide talking and coaching sessions. We can do it over the phone so you don't have to live in San Antonio, Texas to meet me, as well as those of you who live in town. I'm around. But yeah, I'm here for you.